Welcome to DB Sales Company, where we not only offer diesel engines, parts, and customized generator sets, we also provide information on these products to make your experience of finding and acquiring the exact right ones for you as easy as possible. Diesel engine rebuild kits are sets of parts sold together at a reduced or wholesale price, designed for the engine rebuilding process. There are three types of rebuild kits: overhaul, basic, and InFrame. Overhaul kits are designed for rebuilding the entire engine, including the head parts, and basic kits are the same thing as overhaul kits without the valve train kit. InFrame kits are designed for just the top end of the engine. All kits come with the appropriate quantity of each part, given the type of engine and what's necessary to rebuild it. You can even customize for wear and tear on the piston rings. An example of an overhaul kit includes connecting rod nuts, front and rear crankshaft oil seals, pistons with ring kits, connecting rod bolts, crankshaft bushings, connecting rod bushings, main bearing sets, thrust washer sets, overhaul gasket sets, connecting rod bearing sets, and the valve train kit. While a basic kit would, like said before, include all of this minus the valve train kit. An example of an InFrame kit includes main thrust bearings, connecting rod cap screws, oil pan gaskets, connecting rod bearings, main bearings, valve stem leader engine seals, cylinder kits, and cylinder head gasket sets. Since these are just examples of each kit, please keep in mind that kits are going to vary from brand to brand or engine to engine. With our diesel rebuild kits and parts branch, which is also an online parts store, you can find quality self-vetted aftermarket rebuild kits and parts. We offer thousands of rebuild kits and individual parts from all the top brands, including John Deere, Perkins, Caterpillar, Yanmar, Cummins, Kubota, Mitsubishi, Shibara, and International Harvester / Navistar. We hope this helped you understand more clearly exactly the diesel product or products that you've been looking for. Also, look in the description for links to all of our websites. Check out and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on diesel products from DB Sales Company. And be sure to comment below anything else you'd like to know. You can also find us on Facebook under DB Sales Company, or Twitter under Find Diesels, where you can see various products we offer and tips on those products. We'd also like for you to engage with us about your experiences in the diesel industry and how we can help you better reach the diesel products that you're looking for. We hope to hear from you soon.